To begin the PHP installation process, open your web browser and search for PHP. Click on the official PHP website link. Once you're on the website, click the download button. On the next page, find and click the blue text that says Windows Downloads. Scroll down and download the VS17x64 thread safe zip file. After downloading, locate the file and extract it. Rename the extracted folder to match the PHP version, for example, PHP 8.4.4. Then, copy this folder and paste it into your C drive. Open the folder and copy its file location from the address bar. Now, press the Windows key plus R key to open the Run box. Type sysdm.cpl and press Enter to open the System Properties window. In the Advanced tab, click Environment Variables. Under User Variables for Administrator, find and select Path, then click Edit. Click New and paste the file location you copied earlier. Then, click OK. Next, scroll down to System Variables, find Path, and click Edit. Click New and paste the same file location again. Click OK to save the changes. Now, let's verify if PHP is installed correctly. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run box again. Type CMD and press Enter to open the terminal. In the terminal, type PHP and press Enter. If everything is set up correctly, you will see the PHP version you just installed displayed on the screen. That's it. PHP is now successfully installed on your system.